I'm here in Amano, and I'd like to discuss, or I'd let you comment, make a comment on my personal opinion about the burrata. So tikman na natin. Actually, itong si burrata is actually the mozzarella cheese. But the burrata is sarap ihalo kahit saan mong gusto, especially with the pasta. If you have a pizza, alam mo naman, look at the texture, just right. Itikman natin, and it's always good when you eat it with the arugula and some tomatoes. So kukuha tayong konting tomatoes dito. Alright, so Chris, hintayin mo, titikman natin kung talagang panalo. By the way, I added some olive oil and some fresh peppers for additional taste. Okay yung texture niya, malasa, and crisp, panalo. Now, of course, it will be better if you're gonna mix it with, of course, the arugula and the tomato. It definitely is very good. Panalo, Chris. See you.